Right, so I'm going to do a system migrate. So I'll pull that one out, so take confusion. So I've just left the Kingston 12112 gigabyte. So you just go to this button here, OS migration. It's going to tell you your source, which ones you want. So you select your source. Now you go into your target disk. So you have to select it. Okay. And obviously it shrunk it down because this one's a 256 and this one's a 112. So it's automatically shrunk it. Press OK. OK. You're going to be able to manage partitions if you wanted to, add partitions, etc. You can adjust things, but I'm just going to leave them as they are. And let's press start. Doing a hot migration, I don't want it to reboot to its pre-installation environment. So you can carry on using your computer now, but I wouldn't. I'd leave it to do its job. That's it. It don't take too long. So that's like 7 gigs already. So we're coming to an end of that. Took 20 minutes it took. Which isn't so bad for a system migration. I had prevent system from sleeping during execution. Ticked. Which is good. It should be finishing any time soon. This is a really good tool for cloning and hard drive and migration. One of the best. I'll just wait for it to. Should notify me, I hope. Yep, it's done. Okay, so that's that done. Next I'll do clone disk. You can copy a sector. That's a sector file sector copy, a clone disk, or a clone a partition. So I'm going to clone 2 drives. I'm going to clone from this one to that one. So first of all, I'll go to Tools, Clone Disks, select your source. Is it F or is it D? Just check on the side. It's F2D. So F is the source, D is the target. They're both the same size, so it ain't got to do anything. Want to copy all files? You can do all sectors if you want, which is longer, but is good for data recovery. But we're just going to copy all files on this one. So when finished, you can choose what you want it to do, but I ain't too worried about that. But I don't want it to go to sleep while I'm executing, so I've got that ticked. So just let it go. That's right. It's saying hot migration because it can read that there's a Windows installation disk, but it ain't actually migrating, it's cloning. So that's completed successfully. It's just doing its last checks. It took 22 minutes, which is roughly the same time as the migration. So but easy to do. It even shrinks the partitions when needed for you. And I think it's on the free version as well. I don't know if Migration is, but it's worth a look. It's definitely worth buying this tool anyway. So anyway, it's finished. It ain't notified me yet, but I ain't hanging about. Another good thing about this tool as well is the ability to clone to image. So you click your partition you want, and you can clone partition to an image file. A lot of these partition managers do not have that, so it is good. Do a full backup. Select where you want to put it. So I'm going to put it into pictures and start. There's only a bootloader partitions though, which is worth doing. If ever you lose your boot, you can recreate it. So you can open disk images, restore image file to disk, and you can also use that image file and data recover from it. So that's a really useful option.